The Renin-Angiotensin-Aldosterone system is a hormone system within the body that is essential for the regulation of blood pressure and fluid balance. The system is mainly comprised of the three hormones renin, angiotensin II, and aldosterone. Primarily, it is regulated by the rate of renal blood flow. In this video, we will describe the system and how the system is regulated. The first stage of RAAS is the release of the enzyme renin. Renin is released from the granular cells of the renal juxtaglomerular apparatus in response to reduced perfusion pressure in the kidney detected by baroreceptors in the afferent arteriole due to low blood pressure. Stage number 2. Production of angiotensin II. Angiotensinogen is a protein produced in the liver and cleaved by renin to form angiotensin I. Angiotensin I is then converted to angiotensin II by angiotensin converting enzyme or ACE. This conversion occurs mainly in the lungs where ACE is produced by vascular endothelial cells. Angiotensin II exerts its action by binding to various receptors throughout the body. It binds to one of the two G protein coupled receptors, the AT1 and AT2 receptors. Most actions occur via the AT1 receptor. Now let's talk about the various effects of angiotensin II. Angiotensin II acts on AT1 receptors found in the endothelium of arterioles throughout the circulation to achieve vasoconstriction. The net effect of this is an increase in total peripheral resistance and consequently blood pressure. Angiotensin II also binds to the proximal convoluted tubule in the kidneys to increase the sodium reabsorption. It stimulates the sympathetic nervous system to increase the release of noradrenaline. This hormone is typically associated with the fight or flight response in stressful situations and has a variety of actions that are relevant to the RAAS. It also acts on the adrenal cortex to stimulate the release of aldosterone. As a result, increased levels of aldosterone causes reduced levels of potassium in the blood.
That is all. Thank you for watching. Show us your support on Patreon, subscribe for similar content and click that bell icon. Don't forget to check out this playlist and follow us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram to stay tuned. Minute Med, where medicine is made fun.